So today we're here with Nate Stewart. What do you got here, Nate?
2007 Volkswagen Jetta Fahrenheit Edition, Stage 2 Plus. It's got an aftermarket ECS intercooler, ECS charge pipes. It's got 3-inch exhaust from the downpipe all the way back, intercooler, R8 coil packs.
So still stock block,
Yeah,
stock turbo.
Yeah, the cam's been done, the cam follower, the timing chain, timing belt, and cam chain also. 180,000 miles now. We'll take it to stage 3. Should have that within a month or so. Pushing 20 pounds of boost right now with a weak turbo, but it still does a lot. It's mean. Got underglow, got the big 3 for the system. It's got a square inch kicker, L7 Solberg in the back of it. The touch screen from Volkswagen 2013.
Then you just put all new control arms and
Yeah, all new suspension, front and rear. I still have the Godspeed camera arms put on the rear, but everything's completely brand new on it, top to bottom.
hell yeah, man. This looks nice.
Yeah, it's wicked. I can't wait to have it completely done. It's gonna be sick.